So Andy said, "Hey, I'm gonna do this iFixit thing. I should record it. So I'm gonna do just a live fix of this. So we'll see how it goes." So Caitlin has this MacBook Air 2013. The battery life is abysmal. It won't even hold a charge. So what I'm gonna do is I bought the iFixit kit. So I haven't even opened it yet. Bought the iFixit battery kit for this computer. So I'm gonna open this, show you what's in it, tear it in, and just get to it. So I'm going to put this down for a second so I can open the box. Grab my knife to open this. Just open this box right up. I've already got snowflakes on the packing tape, Christmas stuff. The free repair guide. iFixit is great. I've used it a lot for doing stuff. I've bought tons of their kits for repairs over the years. So, box comes with some packing. Let's get rid of that. There's a letter. It just says, so here it is, MacBook Air 13, late 2010, 2017 battery fix kit. It cost me about 60 bucks, I think. So, throw that on the ground. So, it comes with the tool, which is just the bits in the handle driver, which is nice. And this looks like the actual battery. So, we'll get that out of the way. And I can just open this up, show you what's in here. So, yeah, this is the part number there. So, it's the MacBook Air 13 2010 to 2017 battery replacement. iFixit. Took about 4 days for it to ship. It was free shipping, so it was relatively quick to get here. So it looks just, I mean, it's just, this is going to be a very, very easy thing. So it looks like there's just a guide saying, hey, do this when you're done. It comes in that box. It comes in this plastic piece. So we'll go ahead and set this aside. We'll take out the, set this off to the side. And we'll go ahead and open up. Now, you could go to iFixit and actually follow the guide, but I've replaced batteries in MacBooks before, so I should be able to do this without doing a guide. But if I get stuck, I can always pull up the guide on the website. So this is the lid for Caitlin's MacBook, but the lid had this nice foam in there. So what I'll do is I just set this in here. That way I can just drop the screws right into the foam. So it said the screws are in the handle. Oh, there's the bit for it. It popped right out, so I gotta get that out of there. I'll tip this down so you guys can see it. So there are, looks like a tiny pin for separating some stuff if I needed to, holding in. A Torx T5 and a Torx and a Pentalobe 5. So a Torx P5 and a Pentalobe P5. So set those in the corner there. Put this back on. Nice and twisty. So these look just like Pentalobe 5. So let me find the Pentalobe. This is labeled on this Torx T5. Pentalobe P5. So I'll start with this one back here, and we'll just get unscrewing. Use the little spudger here that they came with. We can pop this up. Should be able to pop this up relatively easily. If not, I can just, there we go, from the fan bay there. So alright, so it looks like we got some gunk in here, so I'll probably give it a nice little clean, but I can just set that lid off to the side. Actually held up pretty nice, looks like. So just some gunk in here. Nothing out of the ordinary. So it looks like I'm going to have to take off a couple screws. The battery, actually, connector is right here. That just pops right off. Oh, I'll pull the tape off, so I might have to get the spudger underneath there to pop that off. I don't want to break it. Of course, it should just pop right off. pop right out. Come on. There it goes. Slides right out. Perfect. Okay, so then it looks like I'm going to have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here. This is probably where I have to switch to the Torx. Yep, definitely the Torx. So let's see. Let's see if it's these 5 screws. This is probably going to be a very easy fix. So there's screw 1. Oh, there's one in the middle also, so don't forget the one in the middle. I like trying to do things without guides, because I'll screw some up and okay, so that's it. 5 screws, battery's out. There's the battery. Done. So, I mean, this is really clean, so I'm not even going to bother cleaning it up. So, I will dispose of this properly. So, I'll put it in the box to get rid of it. Grab the new one off the floor. I mean, that was 5 screws. It was so easy. Doesn't say anything about removing the film, but I'll definitely remove the film off the back. So we'll slap this in, pull the protective film off here. Satisfying. So I'll put that in the pile of recyclables. This doesn't have as much bend in the cable, so I'm going to actually probably pick this up and slide the plug in before I lay it down. Be easier. Yeah, much easier to do it before it's laid down. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now I can lay this down in here. Get that. There we go. That bend in there. Okay, and then we're going to work our way back around. So 1 screw in the middle. Charging, 44%. Just your normal doesn't actually give me any. Looks like it's just got. It doesn't tell me anything because it's new. So that's it. Done. 17 minutes total. iFixit.